Muingi wa bururi, ahunjia na atongoria a ndini cia makanitha hamwe na atongoria matiganite makoretwo makineana woni wao wa kuregana na itua riria ririga kurekererio ni igoti rigie gwitikirio kwandikithio gwa ikundi iria iritetagira andu a ndugu cia hura umwe kuria ona icigo-ini imwe muingi watabanirie mirurungano. Na umuthi atongoria ndini ya GIITHARAMU ni mokereire itua riri makiuga ni mugaru na mutugo na unduire wa Akenya, na oho makauga ona ndini yao ni ireganite na ndeto ino kuona omoi kihiko kia mutumia na muthuri, makiuga itua riri ni ugwati ona kuri ihiko.
The position of Muslims and Islam against homosexuality will never change. The impact of homosexuality can clearly be seen in the West, where the family unit is broken.
Atongoria ya maugite matikwirorera a Kenya makireherwo maundu mogeni, makiuga gutindikiririo kwa ndugu cia hura umwe ni undu ukuingirio nginyagia mathukuru-ini kuhitukira mabuku, na ciana nyingi ciikore maundu-ini maya haha makoria ciari makorwo mari maitho.
More troubling, my dear brothers and sisters, is the silent and secret programs of this group to impose literature and curricula on our children in schools to make them accept homosexuality. You need to be careful where you have subjects like sexual reproductivity.
Atongoria ya riu ni moritie mutongoria wa bururi President William Ruto kwiyumiria king'ang'a-ini na heane murugamo wake kuona na mbere ya itua riri rikinyanirio a Kenya ni mareganite na rio.
There is an increasing push by the Western countries as well as organizations to promote LGBTQ in African countries like Kenya. And this was clear during the visit of the former president of USA, Barack Obama, in 2015, when he openly came to Kenya and pushed the case for homosexuality rights. But former President Uhuru Kenyatta told him on his face that we will not sacrifice our inherent religious and traditional value. It was open. So we also urge our President, William Samoei Ruto, to show his will and commitment to fight this sinister move.
Mahinyereirie ati ndugu cia hura umwe ni mugaru na gatiba ga bururi, na mundu anginyitikana abatie kuherithio kwa ihinda ria miaka 14, makiuga majaji atatu a igoti itugiru aria mahitukirie itua riri mabatie gutiga wira guku magitugiria majaji eri aria mareganire na itua riri.
These three judges did a great disservice to the constitution and the people of Kenya, and they are not fit to hold such an honorable, weighty and mighty position of responsibility in this country. They should actually resign.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.